the attack on tourists, innocent persons, civilians, which was carried out on 22nd April 2025 at Baisaran near Pahalgam town in Anantnag district, it literally shook the nation as a whole. And I want to analyze this particular incident, and I will present some important facts before you. As you know, for the first time it happened that the terrorist gunned down the tourists after checking into their religious identity, or they forced them to reveal their religion, and even they were asked to say the kalma or the Islamic verses, and when they confirmed that they were non-Muslims, that time they were gunned down directly into their head or into their faces. Therefore, the brutality involved this act is literally beyond the expression. And why the terrorists carried out this attack, I would like to present some facts behind this. As you know, the Jammu and Kashmir was returning to the normalcy, and the surge of the lakhs of tourists towards the valley, it started making disappearing the fear factor in the minds of the people. And also there was a increasing confidence of the people in the ability of the security forces to thwart the terrorism, and it also returned the normalcy to the valley, and therefore many local Kashmiri persons started reaping the benefit of this economic progress, and therefore Kashmiris were quite happy, and all over the peace was prevailing. But the perpetrators of the crime who were sitting in Pakistan, they got frustrated, and they were disgruntled, and wanted to carry out such an attack which they wanted to divide the people of this country on the line of the religion. And therefore we must be aware that we should not be carried out by their evil designs. We must remain united. India will remain united even in days to come. Thank you.